I mean, the ability to give Filipinos an instant contract and access to credit, access to funds in minutes, not weeks, surely that's got to be great for the economy.
Very few are well aware in terms on how the digital platform really works in their lives. So that is where we come in, we educate them.
First, tell me, how can we get a loan in 4 minutes?
What we offer is a complete credit lifecycle process, but one thing that we've perfected is that 4-minute loan. And it's not just a mortgage, it can be a commercial loan, a consumer loan, car loan, tractor loan, you name it. And getting to a point where everything is essentially automated. So you can be at home, or you could be at a bank branch or at a dealership. You fill out an application, that all takes about 4 minutes. And then you press the submit button and it does absolutely everything. Credit decisions, comes back with a result about 20 seconds later with a complete contract, and there you go.
Great. And what do you think your company and the technologies that you bring, how can it benefit Filipinos?
Well, the simple answer is, at the moment, I had one bank tell me it takes them about 3 weeks just to come up with a credit decision on a personal loan. Well, we can turn that into 4.5 minutes at home on your cell phone at 2 a.m. Well, there's your answer. You get an instant decision, and generally in most cases you can fund within an hour, not 3 weeks.
There's a 92% rate of cashless payments these days in the Philippines and the rapid growth in mobile wallet usage. And here with me is Meij from SpeedyPay. Meij, tell us, how are mobile wallets changing the way Filipinos live?
Actually, let me go back to the time that we had encountered a pandemic. Actually, that's the time that every Filipinos being well aware in terms of the digital mobile applications. That's the time we realized the need for the digital banking, exploring on how we can able to help also those individuals in the remote area in a seamless way for us to distribute the financial subsidy. That's the time that the people in those areas realize that they need this mobile banking for them to receive and use it immediately. Because during those times, during the pandemic, everyone is just inside the house. There's no way for them to go outside. In terms of the government providing the subsidy, that's another story. And that is where the crucial part of the digital mobile banking comes in.
SpeedyPay has a eMango wallet. So tell us about the people that you've onboarded to the e-wallet during the pandemic and after the pandemic, how it's grown and how were you able to onboard these people?
During 2021, we got a positive feedback, to be honest. That's why in the Visayas area, we got more than 1,000 subscribers in just a day. Because they know that they really need the facility, not just for them to do the cash in or cash out, but also for them to pay their bills. Because most of them also are already afraid to go outside just to pay for the bills. And recently, we already reached 120,000 subscribers. But in terms of the active users, again, we still have a very good number. We have at least 82,000.
Thank you so much for the interview.
Thank you as well for this one, Claire.